Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a review of SONOS ARC ULTRA. The SONOS ARC ULTRA improves on the original ARC with more drivers and new sound motion woofer. This setup boosts bass and creates a more immersive soundstage, potentially eliminating the need for separate subwoofer. Its audio performance is impressive, offering dynamic room-filling sound, particularly with Dolby Atmos content. Dialogue clarity is enhanced with a new spatial enhancement feature, giving more control over voice reproduction. The ARC ULTRA includes Bluetooth for flexible streaming in addition to its single HDMI eARC port. It integrates seamlessly with the Sonos ecosystem for multi-room audio. While the ARC ULTRA offers superior sound and features, its high price, which is €999, makes it a more expensive choice than the original ARC. It's ideal for those seeking premium audio but may be too costly for users satisfied with the original's performance. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.